How to log out of your account on Facebook on iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Pippin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can log out of your account on Facebook on iPhone or iOS. Now the process is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First and foremost, you want to simply open up your Facebook application, and here at the home page you should get an interface like this. Right now, here what you want to do is at the bottom right corner of your screen you can see menu option. At the bottom you can see home, friends, video, marketplace, notifications, and menu option. You want to simply tap on the menu option at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you do so, here you should get an interface like this. Now the trick here is, what you want to do is you want to simply scroll all the way down below, and at the bottom you should be able to see the logout option. Simply tap on logout option, and then it'll ask you for confirmation. Now once here you want to simply tap on logout option and your account will get logged out. So this way you can log out of your account on Facebook on iPhone or iOS as well. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.